Nanti pastor ini akan memperkenalkan diri secara singkat, lalu saya akan terjemahkan semampu saya. Okay, so they're asking you to introduce yourself, where you are coming from. Mungkin bukan dari langit ya. Where you are coming from, kami kayaknya ini tinggi sama. Where you are coming from, and then just introduce yourself, and then I will translate this. You can say in Tagalog or how to say selamat malam in Tagalog. Oh, dia begitu ini. Okay.
Good evening everyone.
Good evening.
In Tagalog, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Magandang gabi. Selamat malam internet, magandang gabi itu tadi.
I am Father Junel from the Philippines.
Saya pikir mereka mengerti.
Ya ngerti ya itu. Paham.
Paham, oke. Continue.
I am happy to be with you today because of your heartily welcoming with us.
Jadi kelihatannya dia bilang dia rasa bahagia. Kebahagiaan itu pasti sampai di kepalanya.
Parah nih translakannya.
Although this is not my first time that I came in your country, this is my second time, but my first time that I came on your place, on this place.
Oh.
Jadi ini sudah kali kedua dia ke Indonesia, tapi inilah pertama datang di Pulau Bangka ya. Pantas kamu kelihatan Pulau Bangka. This is your first time in this island.
Although that I am a foreigner and I cannot understand your language, but the way how I feel to you, your hospitality and welcoming with me, because Father is here, me. So, once again, thank you very much, especially the family that will take care with us today.
Jadi dia sangat berterima kasih karena meskipun orang asing, ya tapi tidak asing-asing juga. Dan tapi disambut dengan baik. Oke.
And also, I am the country Philippines. I belong to the part of Mindanao because in the Philippines there are three areas: Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And I belong to Mindanao, and the dialect is not the same in our own language, Tagalog. We have our own language, and our language is Cebuano. But our national language is Tagalog. So, we can speak three languages. Our own dialect, Cebuano, our national language, Tagalog, and English language.
Jadi dia berasal dari Mindanao yang selalu tempat musuh itu. Mindanao bagian selatan ya, Filipina bagian selatan, dan di sana di Mindanao itu bahasa mereka bahasa Cebu. Jadi dia bisa bahasa Cebu, bahasa ibunya, lalu bahasa Tagalog, bahasa bapaknya, lalu Inggris bahasa umumnya itu. Oke. In your family, how many of you?
We are all six in the family. I have,
How many?
including my parents, my mother and my father, we are all six. I have one sister and two brothers, and I am the eldest of my family.
Oh, jadi mereka ada 4 bersaudara itu. Dia lah yang paling tua. Tertua mungkin itulah karena itulah pendek dia. Oke.
And before I entered in the seminary, before I came to become a priest, I am a teacher.
What?
I am a teacher in little ones,
Kindergarten.
elementary. If you answer me why I decide to become a priest, I answer the God's call. But though I enjoy teaching with the children, but I feel the call of God. I feel to enjoy with Him than my job as a teacher.
Oke, jadi Dia awalnya guru, tapi dalam perjalanan waktu dia menemukan bahwa ternyata panggilannya itu lebih bermakna kalau menjadi seorang pastor.
Before I enter in the seminary, when I be a priest, my parents got angry with me. Why? Because I am the eldest of my family, and I am the one who helped with them. But they have nothing to do with me, because this is my personal decision that I leave my work and enter to become a priest.
Jadi ketika memutuskan untuk mau menjadi pastor, ketika masuk seminari, orang tua itu marah karena dialah yang tertua. Jadi kalau dia mengajar, gajinya itu untuk menghidupi adik-adiknya. Tetapi karena dia masuk pastor, bapak mamanya marah. Tapi karena panggilan Tuhan itu lebih kuat, akhirnya dia lebih memilih untuk menjadi pastor.
So I am newly priest ordained. I celebrate my second year anniversary as priest this coming August 9.
Jadi dia baru tabisan 2 tahun lah. Jadi bulan Agustus tanggal 9 ya. Oh, nanti. Oh, iya. Bulan Agustus ini baru dia 2 tahun tabisan. And now where you are assigned?
In the Philippines we have 2 parishes and seminary. So now I am assigned in one of the parish in the Philippines as assistant parish priest in Bagbag, Novaliches, Quezon City.
Oke, jadi saat ini dia ditugaskan sebagai pastor rekan di paroki SSCC, di paroki namanya paroki Bagbag di Novaliches. Itu that is in the which part of Philippines? Quezon City.
In Luzon.
Di Luzon.
Metro Manila,
Metro
capital
Manila.
of the Philippines.
Ya, jadi kami SSCC Indonesia itu kita satu dengan SSCC yang ada di Filipina. Jadi mereka yang di Filipina pun masuk dalam satu provinsi, jadi satu. Oke, something else you want to say? Oke, itu saja katanya.
So once again, thank you very much.